Hola! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's episode I have these cute little candy corns that my partner, and I don't know if you had a chance to look at my unboxing video from Vanessa, but Vanessa, my partner for my YouTube hub, made this spell book for me, and I'm having a hard time here showing it. But it says Karina Spell Book, and it's like a little binder, and she like did amazing. She like gave me these bows, and then the second page were these candy corns, and I was like, how did you make them? Like, I kept messaging her because I love these bows. I actually went and bought all 3 of these bow dies because I want to make them because I just love them so much. They're so cute. And then I also asked her how she made these, and she actually told me she followed a tutorial from the e-shopping-mom, and so I went and looked for it, and so I will link down below in my description Vanessa, who's Soto Creates here on YouTube, and then I also will link down below the e-shopping-mom. I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. She also has a tutorial on how to do these, so I'm just going to kind of do like what I did. I kind of followed her tutorial, so I'll link her video down below. But basically what it is you can make them whatever size you want. I don't have, can you believe it? I don't have a 1-inch punch circle, and I actually don't have circle dies. Unbelievable. I know. I can't believe it myself. So what I do have is I do have a 3-inch circle punch, and I do have a 2-inch circle punch, and then I have this like scalloped inch. This is 1-inch circle. I also have this like medallion thing, so I guess I also could make it with that. Actually, let's see what that would look like, since I already know what the other ones would look like. So it might be less than 1 inch, so it might be actually smaller. It might be too small. Yeah, it might be too small. So I'm not going to do it. Just forget about it. And so anyways, all that you do, this is like the easiest thing ever. I can't believe I, 1, didn't think of it. 2, I have never done it before, but I do see making lots of these in my near future here because they're so easy and they're so cute. So all that I'm doing is I'm using my Koyuko dot liner. I get these from Amazon, and I really like how it works. And so I'm just gluing it down, and I am doing the same thing with this one. Just kind of eyeballing the center. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, you can certainly use a use like your cutting board or your cutting tool. I am just going to eyeball it, and I'm just going to use since I do have the scallops, I'm actually going to follow. I think this might be like the middle. I'm just going to follow this basically. So what you do is you cut them in half, and then in half again, and then another half. And I guess if you want to continue cutting them even smaller, you could. I decided not to. I thought this was a good size. Now Vanessa has different sizes on mine, so I'm guessing she used like smaller circles. So anyways, and then I know that e-shopping-mom has her candy corns just like this. But what Vanessa did, and I don't know if this is how she did it. Vanessa, if you're watching my video, please comment below and tell me what you did. But I think what she did is she went back and she kind of like rounded all the corners with her scissors, I'm guessing. Because I tried doing it with my corner chomper and it kind of like cut it. So I am just literally going around, and see, this one kind of looks like kind of square. So I am just going around with my scissors, nothing fancy here, and I am just rounding out those corners. I just think it gives it a more finished look and makes them look like actual candy corns, because candy corns don't have straight edges. So I just kind of like how those look with the rounded edges. And so this doesn't take very long. At least I don't think so. I think this will hopefully be a short video. I feel like I've been loading these long videos. See what happens when I get in a hurry here? Which I don't know why. Then I get sloppy. Okay. But isn't this like the easiest thing ever and oh so cute? I mean, seriously. I think these come out so cute. And I kind of even like them with the scallop edge. I mean, I don't mind it. That's what I'm saying. Ah! See, again, I'm like in a hurry. I'm like trying to finish. Oh, this might not make the cut here. I don't like how one came out. But see, some of these, like, they're not quite round. This top one is kind of hard to do. But, anyways, so this is it. And then what I did is I went ahead and packaged some up. And they're just kind of packaged. I put some double-sided tape is how I package up my embellishments. Double-sided tape, and then I just, you know, put a bag topper, put some candy on it. So yeah, but now that I'm talking to you, I am curious because I just think, you know, how would it look if I try to do it smaller? So I am gonna try, since this video is not too long here. So here's my 2-inch one, right? Yeah, 2-inch. And then here's my 1-inch. And for the white one, I'm gonna use my 5/8 of an inch. This might be too small. Let me see. I don't know if this might be too small. Let's try that. I feel like this is too big though. But hey, let's try it. See what happens here. So, well, hey, a different take on candy corns, right? They don't look too bad. And again, I would just go back and round off. And I keep forgetting that I'm not on camera. Well, here's the difference in size. I still like them. I still think they're so cute. So tell me what you think of these candy corns. Look at all this goodness. Well, except for the trash over here of my corners. So yeah. Tell me what you think of all these candy corns. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Hasta mañana. Bye.